Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. So today we're going to look at the new JBL Flip 6. Really excited about the speaker. So let me go through the spec very quickly before we do anything. So it's around £100 at the moment. Come in few colors. You have red, blue, camo, pink, black. On iPod is the black model. Full overall playtime. So pretty much exactly same as the JBL Flip 5. IP67, water and dust proof. So you can take them to underwater. It does also come with the party boost mode. Is also supported by the JBL app, because I made quite a lot of complaint that JBL don't make an app for their speakers. Now they actually have a speaker that actually is supported by the app. I'm really excited. You can connect the speaker with multiple devices at the same time. So if you have a laptop and if you want to connect to the phone as well, so you can do that. 30 watts of audio output, so pretty loud for a speaker. JBL Flip 5 is going to be at 20 watts. This is going to be 30 watts, so it's going to be a quite loud speaker. Supported by Bluetooth 5.1, so really good on there. Very unique boxing. Again, you have the JBL Party Boost, 12 hours of battery, IP67, Party Boost. I really like the box. It's quite unique for JBL. It's the same size as the JBL Flip 4 and smaller than the JBL Flip 5. Really like the look of it. So let me go through the box first. USB-A to USB-C. Then you come to the user guide, so let's look at that. So charging, Bluetooth, pause and play, and how to connect to the Party Boost. So simply hold the button on the top to connect to multiple speakers, and you're going to download the JBL Affordable app for the EQ. Quite a simple guide. Very small speaker actually. Is very small speaker. So you have the power button, Bluetooth, just a light to indicate how much charge you have, USB-C intake, and you have a small strap to actually hold the speaker. Party Boost button, volume controller on the top, pause and play. So you get a massive JBL logo on the front. On the side you have that JBL Play logo, and on the other side the same. So it's really light. So here is the JBL Flip 5. And here is the JBL Flip 6. So it's like a tiny bit. The Flip 6 is slightly smaller than the Flip 5. Other than that, pretty much the same width. The Flip 6 slightly heavier than the Flip 5. Now we're going to try the audio.
That don't bother me a bit. Got somebody else's eyes I'm seeing myself in. I'm holding on every moment. God knows I missed a few. The day we met, I knew I'd had some catching up to do. She ain't my blood, ain't got my name, but if she did, I feel the same. I wasn't there for her first steps, but I miss. She ain't got my smile. That don't bother me a bit. Got somebody else's eyes I'm seeing myself in. I'm holding on every moment. God knows I missed a few. The day we met, I knew I'd had some catching up to do. She ain't my blood, ain't got my name, but if she did, I'd feel the same. I wasn't there for her first.
Ladies and gents, turn up the sound system to the sound of Carlos Santana and the GMB. Ghetto Blues from the Refugee. Oh, Maria, Maria. She reminds me of a West Side Story. Growing up in Spanish Harlem. She living a life just like.
Play by Carlos Santana. Stop the looting, stop shooting, pickpocketing on the corner like a movie star. Body up, body up. She love in me slowly to the sound of the guitar. Yeah. Play by Carlos Santana. Stop the looting, stop shooting, pickpocketing on the corner. See, it's the motion. Give it up, give it up, give it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up, where I'm going. Stay on the fly, just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make that highlights. I love the way. Give it up, give it up, give it up, sweet emotion. Every time, every night, you and I on a roll. Switch it up, switch it up, switch it up, where I'm going. Stay on the fly, just in time, know the right way to go. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make that highlights. I love the way we vibe out, you're like a centerfold. All I want is satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that, give me that, give me that good reaction. Gotta make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make that highlights. I love the way we vibe out, you're like a centerfold. All I want is satisfaction. Make a move, baby, you got nothing to lose. Give me that, give me that, give me that good reaction. Gotta make it right, little like an offer I can't refuse. I'm on the road, it's my time, taking control of my life. I want to run the red lights, I got to run this show. You always take me so high, you always make that high.
Wow, what a speaker. I can't believe how awesome the speaker is. Like, it's at the same audio quality as the JBL Charge 5. I can't believe how good the audio is. It's really good bass.